So once you have uploaded out a video onto YouTube Studio, then you have a place to add in your title and description, which I have already done so, as you can see, and you see a preview of the video over here as well. So apart from that, you can see that a thumbnail selection is here as well. So it takes three sections of the video from the beginning, from the center and the end, and you can choose that to be the thumbnail for your video. But if you want to be more creative and expressive, then you can go around and upload out your own thumbnail as well. So for that, you can click on upload thumbnail right here. And then over here, you can see that I have a thumbnail file right here that I've already made. So this can be in PNG or in JPG format or any of the supported format that you see right here. So once that is done, you can click on open and the thumbnail will be uploaded, as you can see. You can go around onto option to download the thumbnail right here, or click on change so that you can go around and choose another picture of your choice and use that as a thumbnail as well. But I'm just going to go around over here and change it and click on this thumbnail. So even if you have uploaded out your own thumbnail, you can still select from the pre-made thumbnails from the video itself. But in my case, I'm just going to go around and choose this. And that is it. When you're working around with a video, you choose one of the three thumbnails right here, or choose your custom thumbnail by uploading it. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.